Good morning. I'm here in Ehrenberg, Arizona, right on the California border, and it's Christmas Eve. And over there you are seeing a big pile of trash that somebody's dumped out here. Now before you turn off the video, this is not about the negativity of this. This is about hope. Just here, you see this huge gathering of people, and they are here to clean up this part of the desert. And here is the events tent and base of operations for this cleanup, and they're getting ready to serve breakfast to the volunteers in there. So out here in the desert, a wonderful thing is happening. A big group of people have come together and are cleaning it up. They've already filled up one enormous dumpster, and hopefully we'll be getting a second here pretty soon. And thought I'd chip in for a little bit.
In my mind, I think they were huffing paint or something. There's so many cans around here.
Lot of paint cans, huh?
Yeah, a lot of spray cans, you know?
Yeah.
So I think they were using.
Okay, there's a lot of glass here. I'm not gathering the glass. We need something else to put that in.
Yeah, that's what I was just saying.
Yeah, well, that's interesting. This is a can that hasn't been opened.
Yeah, be careful of that kind of stuff.
But there's nothing in it.
Oh, okay.
It's weird. Oh my gosh, yeah.
Be careful, this glass.
Yeah, I got.
And it's got a lot of stuff underneath it, so it won't sink down in, and it'll push up through your shoe.
So I have the tongs, I have the gloves, I have the bio buckets. And I'm looking for local knowledge, like I said, about homeless encampments or places, other places like that where you might find syringes. The other thing I have is naloxone. And if you guys know, like, we're in an overdose epidemic in this country. I personally have lost 12 people since June that I know in my life. 4 of them were very close to me. I bet if I asked for a show of hands, and I won't do that because I don't want to put you out there, that almost everybody in this group either has lost somebody very close to them or knows somebody who's lost somebody to overdose, to opiate overdose.
Also, I have rewritten the 12 Days of Christmas. It is called the Nomads 12 Days of Christmas, and I have typed up those lyrics, and we will have those lyrics available, and we will be doing that around the campfire tomorrow night. It's hilarious, trust me. So we're going to do that tomorrow night around the fire.
On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 gallons of gas, 11 bungee cords, 10 falling stars, 9 gallons of water, 8 yards of reflectors, 7 propane refills, 6 brand new tires, 5 ratchet straps, 8,000 panels, 3 deep cell batteries, 2 generators, and a campground that had no fear. I know, that's nice.
Small straight. Yeah, small straight.
All is calm, all is bright, round silver bells, silver bells.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
You guys have poor shepherds
fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night. That was. Thought I'd stop for a minute and show you the trash that we've pulled out of the desert. And that dumpster there, this one, is full, and we have that to load into another one, and we have another one here that has been started on too. So incredible, the hard work and effort of all these people here, and all the way up, these people out of the desert, even if they weren't actually part of this group originally, they all pretty much got involved with the cleanup. It's cost them a lot of money. We've all been chipping in here. And there's like $550 each dumpster. And it's not being paid for by the government or Ehrenberg. It's being paid for by our viewers at this point, and maybe some donations from outside of this group.
All over the country, all because someone posted something on a website, and we all got together, we all came in, and we just went to work. All we needed was someone to give us a little bit of direction. He did a great job at that, and look at what we've accomplished. It's amazing. You know, think about it. And Canada. Let's not forget our Canuck friends. But you know, city governments can't get this done. You know, they got to pay people a fortune, and they got to have a board to study it for 3 years before they can get people out to pick up litter. And look what we've done. It's an amazing accomplishment. I think it might take another couple of weeks before a lot of these pictures start really getting popular, and the videos, people are just now seeing them. But think what's going to happen when you tell people, I was at the Ehrenberg cleanup. And they're all going to know who you are. Even if they don't know your name, they will have seen the results and seen this god-awful pile of garbage we've picked up. I'm up there. Look at that.
I'm actually really tired, so I'm going to go ahead and sit. But I wanted to have a little story time and put you guys all to sleep before Tile speaks and ramps you guys all up. Freecampsites.net and I started this idea last year at the RTR in about 24 hours. We created flyers, we talked to Bob, we got them to announce it at the seminar. We got 35 people over on the riverside over there last year. One day, we had some fun, we ate some pizza, we rode some trucks down, and we took it all to the quartzite dump, which they so generously offered to take it for free. We took what we could to the salvage yard, and that was it. And a couple of months later, she and I were talking, and the idea came up, hey, what if we do it again and we plan it out a little bit further in advance? And I don't think I need to continue the story anymore because it's really boring bureaucratic paperwork, blah, blah, blah.
Today is January the 2nd. I'm headed out of Ehrenberg. I just stopped in at the cleanup here. briefly. They keep on adding and adding, and wow. And I'm headed to Quartzsite today to do something that I actually can't tell you about. So I will be telling you about it when I'm allowed to. I'm not exactly sure when that'll be. Oh, don't we love mysteries?